Welcome to Phone Transformer, where we are going to show you exactly how to download apps for Android so you can get the most out of your smartphone. Whether you need social media or a new game, this guide will walk you through the simplest process. So now let's get started. Step one is to open the Google Play Store on your device, which is the official marketplace and the safest place to find a massive variety of verified software. Step two is to tap on the search bar located at the very top of the screen, which acts as your primary tool for finding specific items within the millions of available choices. Step three is to type the name of the application you are looking for, allowing the system to filter through its database and show you the most relevant results for your needs. Step four is to select the application from the screen once it appears in the results, which opens the app's dedicated page containing its description, reviews, and storage size. Step 5 is to tap on the install button, which triggers the automatic download and setup process so that the software is properly integrated into your phone's operating system. Step 6 is to then go to your home screen where you can find your installed app, allowing you to easily launch your new software and begin using it whenever you like. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to the channel for more helpful mobile tips and tricks.